Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design postcards with the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go to the print products section. And here you have a few options. There are popular, marketing, gifts, stationery, clothing, and cards and invites. Now go to the marketing, and here you can find the postcard option, which is the last one in the first row. And now here, when you tap on it, it's going to open up an editing page which has the exact size and ratio that you would need for a postcard. So you just open up, and then you have a few options. You can either go to uploads, and you can upload your photos if you want to add your own photos to the postcard. You can go to the photos section where you can use these copyright-free images from the Canva library, which are beautiful, very high-quality images that you can use. You can add your own text and themes and design elements, or you can just tap on templates, and here you can find beautiful templates that are all designed by professional designers, and you can just choose one of these templates, and it has both the front and the back side of the postcard. And obviously you can customize it. You can add your own title, you can add your own informations here, or if you want to write by hand, you can just keep these lines and you fill it by hand. And yeah, you can move around these design elements. You can you can change them, you can add your own details. For different occasions, you can find different kinds of postcards. Obviously, you can use the search bar, and you can search for any specific postcard that you would like. You can send specific postcards from the country that you are visiting. As you can see, this one is a Budapest postcard from Hungary. And yeah, the choices are unlimited. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you.